I don't usually recommend technology on this YouTube channel for my clients, but when I come across a good tool that I actually use for all of my clients, I sing its praises. In this video, I'm gonna talk about this one tool that we are rolling out for every single one of the 40 clients that we're currently actively managing, and it's called Cluos. Now, just to be fully transparent, this video is a sponsored piece of content, but I can absolutely stand by the tool as we use this across, like I said, all of our clients, and I even teach people how to implement this inside of my school community. There's a link in the description to that community as well. Anyway, let me show you how this tool works, what it does, and the increase in revenue that you can actually experience using this tool. Let's do it. Okay, before I explain the results that this tool gets, I want to actually explain what it actually tries to solve. So when I go onto a website, right, like I go onto, let's say, Cow Coffee, right, and we go onto this website here, Klaviyo is currently tracking us. If I'm subscribed, Klaviyo is tracking what I'm doing on their website, right? And I click here and I click add to cart. If Klaviyo is tracking me properly, it will send a metric from Shopify to Klaviyo to tell Klaviyo that I've added an item to my cart, right? That makes sense, which should then trigger the abandoned cart flow. What happens though is Klaviyo misses about 20 to 30% of what your subscribers are actually doing. It's not tracking you properly, okay? What Cluos does is it adds a pixel onto your site here. Here's Cluos. It adds a pixel onto your site here that tracks your subscribers for longer, okay? Klaviyo misses about 20 to 30% of the abandoned cart and the viewed product metrics. What Cluos tries to do is essentially help you recover how many of those lost metrics are actually taking place, right? So it recovers about 20 to 30% of those metrics, which then allows you to trigger Cluos triggered flows to recover that 20 to 30% that Klaviyo misses. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really, really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out, it's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community, and if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video, let's get back to it. Now, let me show you how that works in practice. If I go into flows, I go live. If we scroll onto the bottom here, you can see here, we have Cluos flows set up. If I go in the last 30 days, you can see here, the Cluos flows here have generated an extra roughly 5.5K in a 30-day period for this business, okay? So these flows are triggered when Klaviyo misses the abandoned cart metric. So if, for example, I'm on the site and Klaviyo does accurately track my abandoned cart, the Cluos flow will not kick in. These flows are only capturing revenue that Klaviyo, okay, is missing. And these are capturing like a considerable amount of revenue, like 5.5K per month for a subscription that's $129 per month. By the way, it's like super cheap. I mean, if you're doing $1 million a year, it's 129. If you go all the way up to like 2 million, or 3 million rather, it's 200. This pays for itself. It's one of the most no-brainer tools that we use for all of our clients. Now, yes, this is a sponsored video, but we've recovered, I would say, like hundreds of thousands of lost revenue by installing this tool across all of our client accounts. Now, I only recommend this tool if you're doing about $20,000 per month in attributed revenue. If you're doing anything less than that, you're probably not going to recover enough revenue to warrant the expense after you factor in your profit, right? Now, I do recommend like having it even if it does kind of just break even, because you're probably increasing the amount of people who become first-time subscribers. But this tool is just such an easy hack. Super affordable, super easy to set up. We put it onto like pretty much every one of our clients here, and it just cranks. I mean, look, as you can see here, Cluos, we got the browser bans and abandoned cart, and then SMS again, 5K, 5.5K, just like that. Super, I think this might even be 6K actually. 6K attributed revenue. Highly recommend it. There's a link to the tool in the description. It's super easy to set up. The founder, Matt, super chill guy. He can even set a lot of this stuff up for you. Super easy. And you don't actually have to build new abandoned cart flows. For example, this abandoned cart is literally a cloned abandoned cart of the existing abandoned cart that we already have. We just cloned it and changed the trigger to be Klaviyo's abandoned cart to being the Cluos abandoned cart. So it's not like you're having to reinvent or create a whole new flow. It's literally like a 15-minute process to get all this set up, and it's one of the easiest things you can do to increase your store's revenue. Highly recommend you do this. Such an easy win. If you have any questions, check them in the comment section down below, and check these guys out. Get on a call with the guy. They come with a 30-day free trial as well. So after 30 days, you can actually evaluate if the ROI is here. As you can see, we turned these on December 4th. So we are able to see, okay, well, in the last 30 days, we've generated 5K. We can even go custom here and go since December 4th. And if we were doing a 30-day free trial, it would be January 4th. We could say, all right, well, let's take a look at the revenue that we drove. Yeah, this makes sense, right? We generated roughly 3.6K, more than that actually, like 3.8. Using Cluos does that increased revenue that we drove from an attributed perspective warrant the 129 per month subscription fee on Cluos? Yes, it does. Let's do it. Super, super easy, pretty much risk-free with the 30-day free trial. Highly recommend it. We roll this out for everybody. It makes us look really good as an agency. If you want to do it for your own e-commerce store or even for your own agency, highly recommend you do it.